In today's fast-paced business world, where being adaptable and coming up with new ideas is critically important, we can't ignore how crucial company culture is. And one key tool that often gets overlooked in building a great company culture, no matter how big or small that company is understanding how people are naturally wired. The mix of traits, strengths, and preferences that make each person unique. Knowing human wiring is a game changer. So let's talk about the struggles when a company doesn't get human wiring. First off, without understanding how people are wired, companies run into problems like employees feeling unhappy. They're less productive. They're leaving their jobs more often. And when you don't know about communication styles and problem-solving methods, teams end up not understanding each other, leading to conflicts. Also, not being clued in on human wiring can really mess up efforts to make workplaces more diverse and inclusive. Real diversity isn't just about having different backgrounds, it's also about appreciating how people think and work differently. Without this understanding, companies risk creating an environment that stifles creativity and falls short of its potential. So let's talk about the good stuff, matching people with the right jobs. One big advantage of knowing human wiring is that it helps match individuals with roles that suit their natural strengths. Everyone has their own set of skills and ways of communicating and problem solving. Now, by digging into those details of human wiring, organizations can make smarter choices when assigning tasks, making sure that people are in roles that let their talents shine. This matching process boosts overall productivity and job satisfaction. People do better in roles that match their natural tendencies, the way they naturally execute things. For example, someone who loves crunching numbers might do great in data-focused jobs, while someone awesome with people skills might be more engaged in a customer-facing role. So recognizing and using these natural abilities leads to a more efficient and happy workplace. So how do you make the most of those natural strengths? See, understanding human wiring isn't just about putting people in the right roles, but also about making the most of their natural strengths. By figuring out and nurturing these strengths, organizations can create an environment that helps individuals grow and the whole team succeed. For example, a team with people who have different problem-solving styles, some more analytical, others more creative, can really tackle challenges from all angles, sparking innovation. Leaders who get human wiring can also adjust their management styles to bring out the best in each team member, creating a dynamic and collaborative work culture. So to sum it up, knowing about human wiring becomes super powerful when you think about all of the problems it solves. By being proactive and understanding human wiring, organizations can set the stage for a workplace culture that's not just adaptable, but also drives long-term success in today's ever-changing business world. And if you want to up your game in understanding human wiring, you can check out our Wired to Win 101, How Were You Hardwired class coming up in December. More information on the link below. You can get your whole team on board for one of the most insightful and team building sessions ever. I'm Lisa Minnini. Until then, create a great life.